the season of Merdeka and Malaysia Day unfolds, Samsung is celebrating Malaysia's rich heritage and multiple cultures by spotlighting how the new generation is keeping these timeless treasures preserved and alive. Malaysia is a culturally diverse nation, and that is something that we are very proud of. Today, we explore a place where people from all walks of life come together to create and share their passion. In today's episode, we will be exploring what used to be a fully functioning bus depot, which became a derelict building and is now a thriving spot for the arts right here in Penang. So here's the story of Hin Bus Depot. Hin Bus Depot used to be, as according to its namesake, a bus depot, housing the iconic blue buses that allowed Penangites to traverse the island with ease. Over the years, as the number of buses dwindled, the bus depot fell into disrepair. Today, this place has blossomed and been infused with new life by passionate Malaysians. Their dedication has transformed it into a vibrant space that inspires the current generation. This is also a place where cultures come together. You can savor flavors of diverse cuisines, and it's a haven for those who express themselves through art. Here, families, friends, and locals come together to share experiences, build connections, and strengthen the community spirit through their art and passion. From emerging entrepreneurs to dedicated volunteers, Hin Bus Depot supports change makers who contribute to the local economy and foster a sense of belonging and purpose. From a Michelin star chef to a humble cafe owner, artist that paints on a large scale to creating snapshots of our heritage on a tinier one. With hundreds of vibrant individuals filling the hub every weekend, Hin Bus Depot becomes a dynamic stage where vendors can proudly showcase their creations, nurture their passionate businesses, and share their inspiring stories with Malaysians. Hin Bus Depot is a testament of transformation and unity. It's a place where passionate Malaysians come together to create something extraordinary. As we celebrate Malaysia's 67 years of independence, join us in celebrating the spirit of togetherness as we charge forward into the future.